Hello, my students. Min here with a pretty hot take today. Straight men don't actually like women. Okay, let me explain. Yes, straight men are attracted to women. Of course they are. But nowadays, they don't actually like and care for the women they're attracted to. They see them as prizes, as objects of their affection. They don't like or care about them as people. Of course, this isn't every straight man, but it's quite a lot of them. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. I'm genuinely curious. That's all for today. Bye, my students. Min out.